So we talked about your regrets in investing.
Yes.
What are some of the investing choices that you're really proud of at the moment?
Yes, so there's one that I really love at the moment that I got into about a couple of years ago called BILI, tickers BILI, I think. And yeah, it's just been a really great performer for me. Like I pretty much timed, and you shouldn't try and time the market because it's really hard to do. If you do it, it's kind of almost more luck than anything else. I mean, you can always choose great companies, but getting in right at the bottoms, so it is kind of like quite lucky. So I did manage to get in right at the bottom. And since then, it's more than 10 times in value for me, which has been great. So I'm really proud of that. I really like that one. And the other thing too is like because it's predominantly Chinese, it's very Chinese focused market. It just gives me a bit of diversification away from the US and the UK where I've got some of my other exposure.
Yeah.
So.
What about Shopify?
Shopify.
Shopify.
I do have Shopify. So I've done well with Shopify as well. I've held it for a few years now, and that's really run up. It's been trading sideways for a bit later, but I'm at the moment lately. But I'm really optimistic on Shopify's future, and I think it could go on to be $1 trillion company one day. So yeah, I'm very bullish on Shopify.
I just think it's a good long-term one because I think they've got a fantastic business model.
Yeah.
What do they do again?
So they're like...
Can you cut that out?
No, I can cut it out. So Shopify, they basically, the way that I think about them is they
do fulfillment, don't they?
They fulfill, you have the website and then they fulfill for you. So they kind of provide all the Amazon type fulfillment services without having to be linked into that core Amazon kind of website, and obviously have to pay the massive Amazon commissions as well. So I always think of them in my head as Amazon for the little guy, and that's why I quite like them, because they actually champion small businesses, and that small business can maintain their identity by having their own web pages and stuff. They're not restricted to that Amazon template, if you like, or template way of doing business. So I really like them for that reason, and they're growing really quickly. And they're also founder-led as well. Like the guy that founded Shopify just got frustrated because there wasn't anybody doing the fulfillment side of the business, and he just thought, and I think he was selling snowboards or something, and he's still leading the company. So it's always good to see too when you see the founder still involved. So.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
Thanks for joining us. This is Money Rebel with Anna and
Cameron. Money rebel, be a money rebel, yeah. Money rebel, be a money rebel, yeah. Ding, 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 ding. Yeah, I'm gonna write the theme tune, sing the theme tune.